On today?
Having a
Pirate ship day. Looks awesome. Oh, a treasure too? Is this the boat you get a race in? Wow. That's gonna be awesome.
Hey Jared, how you doing? This is William Choy getting ready to race his good old trusty cardboard and duct tape boat. Of course we're gonna win because I'm the mayor of Stony Plain.
Looks awesome. This is it, Choy. Time to shine. Mr. Choy's cheating! Come on, pirates! Let's go, pirates! Way to go, Victory! Way to go, Jebba! Oh, he's using all the muscle he has. But can he beat the pirates? I don't know. It's a close one.
Oh, it's a hard one to the finish. And it's the Pirates for the win!
Troy, you just finished your race. How do you feel?
Oh, I feel fantastic. What an awesome event at the outdoor pool.
It was great. Well done.
Yeah.